What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today I'm getting my Maxton Design front splitter installed on my car, my Scirocco. So I've met these guys from TPSmart Repair in Aylesbury, Buckinghamshire, and they have kindly offered me their ramp so I can install the front splitter. I've never done one before. So I'm going to go down there and Tom's going to give me a hand. He's going to show me what to do, so I'm going to do all the work. He's just going to watch and advise, and yeah, get the front splitter installed. And yeah, let's just see what it looks like. I'm sure it's going to look amazing. It's going to change the look of the car, so I'm really looking forward to it. The weather seems okay too, but that doesn't matter because I got offered a ramp, so I can just put my car in there and get it done. So it's very kind of them. So I'm going to go get some fuel in the car first, and then I'm going to go give it a wash and then head over there, get it installed. It's all going to be vlogged so you guys can see everything, and yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Cheers. So I've finally arrived at TPSmart, so this is their shop, as you can see. So they do all repairs, they've got AV tuning, there's quite a lot going on here. So we're going to get that done. I couldn't get the car washed, I have to wear a mask. There's nothing open obviously, and I couldn't get the jet wash wasn't working. So, but yeah, so this is what we're going to look at. Get it on there. And yeah, let's just get that done quickly. I'm just going to put it on the ramp and let's have a look what it looks like before and after.
Yeah, MD, JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, you know, I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look, I tell shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, MD, JPB, you already know, baby. Yeah, I said I already done it. Everything you wanna do, I already. You know that you know that yeah. I said, you know that yeah.
I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, baby. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love. Listen to my condition. babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
What's up guys, so this is the next day because my battery died on my camera, because you can imagine it took quite a while to get this done, lined it up, you know, how I was going to edit it and all of that. So I wanted to show you the after effect of what it looks like now. So it's all been done, it's installed perfectly. Honestly, TPSmart Repair in Aylesbury, I cannot thank you enough for allowing me to use your ramp. It really made this so much easier, and just don't know what to say really. Anyway, so let's have a look. So it's really stuck on there. It just looks so much better. It really brings out the look of the car. As you can see, it just really gives it that really aggressive look. So what it took is we drilled pilot holes through the bumper and through the actual splitter, and once we've done that, we marked them first, drilled the pilot holes, and then we used pop rivets to install it. I thought we were going to use screws, but Tom was like, no, we just use pop rivets, so much easier, and it looks neater from underneath. It's a very clean, well measured job, and that was it. We just pop riveted it in, pulled the plastic off that comes with it for protection, and that's it. The job was done. It looks just amazing, it really does. If I say amazing one more time, honestly, unsubscribe if you feel like. Anyway, so I just want to say big shout out to you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I was able to assist you with installing this. I know I didn't show much in actually getting it installed. It was just, yeah, so much, it took longer than I thought. Anyway, so I just want to say a big shout out to you guys. Thanks for all the subscribers. Sorry for all the noise in the background. It's really loud. It's Monday, and you'd think everyone's sitting at home working, but they're not. Everyone's traveling, regardless of COVID. So yeah, job done. And the next one coming up now, I think I'm just going to do the mirrors. So I'm going to change the mirrors. I'm not so sure if I'm going to blog about that, because I'm sure you guys have done it before, but leave comments in below if you think I should do a little video on changing my mirrors, because I want to put some carbon on them. And yeah, and then I think I'm going to debadge the car, and I am going to do a rear wiper delete on the car. I think it's going to change it, make it look better. Window tinting, and I think that's it. And then we move on to tuning the car, getting the remap in. I would love to update my induction kit. I want the full carbon fiber induction kit on the inside, and yeah, then we'll just move into those things and see if we can get some performance out the car. And that's it guys. Again, thank you for subscribing, and thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.